In this project, you will learn how to make a simple wedding band. Also, you will get to know about international ring size chart and how to use it in the project. The sizing chart is available as PDF in this section, and you can download it. Here, on the right side, you see sizes in different standards. On the left side, there are the inside diameter and circumference of ring sizes in millimeter and inches. To make a ring on the computer, we use the diameter. The standard in any country can be different. In this tutorial, I use the British size chart. N is the most useful ring size for women. In the chart, you can find its circumference and diameter in millimeter. I will use the diameter to make a ring rail as a reference. On the toolbars, select the Standard or Curve tab. Then, on the left side, click on the Circle button. At the command prompt, the software asks you to define the center of the circle. It's better to create objects in the center of coordinates. Also, try to draw them symmetry relative to the middle of coordinates. Hit 0 key from the keyboard and press Enter. In the layer panel, I change active layer to see the circle in red color. At the command prompt, make sure the diameter mode is active. If it's not, by clicking on that, change it. In the next step, put the diameter in command area and press Enter. Click on the front viewport title to make it maximize. Select the circle. We need to create another bigger ring. To do so, you can use the Offset command. In the Curve tab at Toolbars, click on the Offset Curve button. Then, at the command area, select Distance. This option defines the distance between reference circle and copied ring. Type 1.4 and press Enter. Next, you should choose the side of the new curve. Click outside of the ring. As you see, Offset command copied the original circle with a specified distance. By clicking and dragging from right to left, make a cross selection and choose both rings. Go to Solid Tools at Toolbars. Then, on the sidebar, select the Extrude tool. This command creates a surface by tracing the path of a curve in a straight line. Make sure both sides is in Yes mode. When both sides is active, the curve extrudes on both sides. Also, active solid mode. By activating solid mode, you create a closed surface. Now you should put a value. When both sides is active, if you type 2, the program extrudes the curves 2 mm on each side. So the final object would be 4 mm. Type 2 and press Enter or right-click on the mouse. I want to put the new object into another layer. Select the band. Then from the Layers panel, right-click on one of the layers and choose Change Object Layer. In the final step, I want to make the inner edges smoother. To do so, I want to use fillet edge command. This command creates boundaries between surfaces smoother. In other words, it creates a tangent surface between polysurface edges. In the solid section at Toolbars, select Fillet Edge command. Then, click on the radius and type 0.5 and press Enter. Next, select two inner edges and right-click once. Rhino shows a preview of the final result. Press Enter or right-click to finish the command. As you can see, the edges are much smoother than before. Finally, under the File menu, click on Save and save the project with a suitable name. See you in the next project.